Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. We will start by opening the Services tool from the Start menu search engine. Here we will look for the Bluetooth Compatibility Service, and we will double-click on it. Here we will see that its status is stopped. In this case, we will click on the Start button. We're also going to change the startup type and set it to automatic. Finally, we apply and save the changes. The Bluetooth service should now work. After this, we will open the Bluetooth and other devices settings option from the Home search engine. Here we make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. If we also want the corresponding icon to appear, we will do the following. We will click on the More Bluetooth Settings option. Now we will activate the option to show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area, then apply the changes. Finally, we will see the Bluetooth icon in the taskbar. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.